Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely use a GMC Sierra jack. First, always prioritize safety. Park your truck on a firm, level surface, away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake fully. Then, place wheel chocks or blocks diagonally opposite the wheel you plan to lift. This prevents any unexpected rolling. Always consult your owner's manual for specific jacking points and weight capacities. Before lifting, gather all necessary tools: your jack, a lug wrench, and your owner's manual. If you are changing a tire, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you will remove while it is still on the ground. Next, carefully position the jack directly under the designated jacking point on your Sierra's frame. Make sure the jack space is completely flat and stable on the ground. Now, slowly begin to raise your GMC Sierra using the jack. Turn the handle or pump the lever steadily until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand under a strong point on the vehicle's frame, close to the jack. Gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stand. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. When you are finished, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack to remove the jack stand. Once the stand is clear, slowly and carefully lower your GMC Sierra all the way to the ground. After the wheel is on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, gather all your tools and store them securely in your truck. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.